So for a lot of people, being able to make money online stops with the fear of being able to create a website. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create a free, live, fully set up money-making website. So I'm going to click right here. We're on the site where I build all of my websites, whether they're free or if I buy a domain name and create a website of my own. I do either one here. So I'm going to click on a free website. It wants my domain name, and I'm going to create a weight loss. So it's going to be Best Weight Loss Programs. It wants me to select a name. It's going to be the same, Best Weight Loss Programs. And then down below there are literally hundreds of website templates you can choose from to fit the theme of whatever kind of website you want to build, and most of them are really customizable. You can play around with colors and backgrounds and all kinds of things, but for this example I'm going to choose one that I have as a favorite for weight loss and dieting programs. That's called the Food Diet Theme. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click I'm ready, build my website, and it is building my website right now, the shell of the website and the back end that we're going to log into, where I'll show you where we're going to add everything. So that's done, ready to go. All I have to do is click here, log me in, and we are in the back end of the website where you add everything to the website. So we're going to go through, there's a couple of things that I like to add right off the beginning that just make the website a lot easier to deal with. So we're going to go here to plugins, and plugins are add-ons to your website that you can put in that just let you do a wide range of things. I'm going to show you a couple of them. So I'm going to click add new, and what I'm looking for is Easy AdSense, which was designed for the Google AdSense program, but we're not going to use it for that. I'm going to show you how to use it for other ways to make money. So I'm going to search to find that Easy AdSense. It's here. I'm going to hit install now. Okay. That plugin is installed. I just need to activate it. And then if I go to settings, I'll go down to Easy AdSense. It's going to take me to that plugin. And this is where I'm going to add all of the things that I'm going to use to monetize the site, things that are going to allow me to make money. Now, as a quick disclaimer, I did some legwork before I started this because I didn't want you to sit and watch me go find things and type up content and all that. So I've got some of that stuff prepared. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in my affiliate codes in these blocks so they will appear on the website, and you'll see at the end how that works. So I've got here, these are codes. You don't have to worry about figuring these out. Any affiliate program that you belong to will give you these codes automatically, and you'll just need to copy and paste them into your website. So I'm going to copy and paste these into the locations that I want them to appear on my website, and each one of these are from a affiliate program, a site called markethealth.com. That's one of my favorite because of the payout and the conversions on all of their programs. They deal with a lot of health, beauty, weight loss, things of that nature for men and women. And every one of these that I'm adding to my site, when people visit this site and they click on any of these banner ads, and you'll see them, and they sign up for a free trial. All of these are free trial programs. I get paid $45 every time, so it's not bad. So I'm going to add those in real quick. This one will go at the top of every page. Beginning, I'm going to align this to the left and wrap my text around it. That's at the top. Then we're going to grab one for the middle of each page or post on my blog. and I want that to be centered. And then I'm going to add one at the end of each page or blog post. And I am going to center that one as well. And I will hit save, and that's all I need to do there. Now on all of my blogs, what I like is what they call a static front page and then a blog page. In other words, I'll have a home page that's always going to stay the same for my site, which will basically be the lead content or the main page for the site, and then I'll have a blog page where I have posts that I'll add. On most of my sites, generally once or twice a week, I'll add a new post, and it'll make sense to you as I put this thing together what I'm doing. So I'm going to go to reading. I want a static front page. So I'm going to go to pages, and I'm going to create 2 pages. The first page is going to be called Best Weight Loss Programs. And right now I'm just going to publish it. I'm not going to put anything here. And I'm going to add another page called Blog. And I'm going to publish that. I'm not going to put anything there yet. Now I'm going to go to Settings, Reading. And this is where I'll set up a static front page. My front page is going to be the page I created called Best Weight Loss Programs. And my post page is going to be my blog. And I'll save that. Now before I add the content, there's one other plugin that I like that I'm going to add, and you can play, I mean there are thousands and thousands of plugins, but I like one called Dig because it allows people right from your pages and your posts to share your pages and posts via social media, Facebook, Twitter, all the social media sites, and you'll see that at the end. How that works as well. I like a floating display, and I'll explain that off to you as well. And I'm going to save that. Alright, now all I need to do is add content. So I'm going to go to my Best Weight Loss Programs page that I created. I'm going to edit that, and I have some content that I've written already. For most pages and posts, I recommend if you can do 5 to 7 or 800 words, it's probably the best way to do it. There's ways you can get content done for you. I've got some sites I go to that I pay like $2.50 to have people write a 500-word article for me. So initially I recommend that people learn how to write content and create your own content simply because it's free. There's no rush. Like I said, you do 1 or 2 pages a week is all you have to do to keep building your site out and increasing your chances to make money. As you start making money and you have more and more sites, it's just more time effective to reinvest some of the money you make to pay people to write content for you. It's just faster and easier, and you can keep up with a higher volume of sites as you go. I have well over 200 blogs and websites on the internet, so to be writing content for all of them is almost impossible. So I rely on people that are fairly proficient at writing content to write the stuff for me. But I'm going to copy this, and I'm just simply going to paste it in here. It doesn't always paste perfect, so you may need to clean it up a little bit. And alternatively, when you're new, you can just type. You don't have to copy paste. You can type your content right into this block as you go. So I'm going to get this cleaned up real quick, and we're going to save it. And that's it for that. And we are going to update that page. Now I'm going to add my first blog post, and again, blog posts are where you're going to once or twice a week or once or twice every other week, depending on your site. You're going to add a new post that's going to add more content to your site. It's going to add another page, which is also going to have these programs that allow you to make money, and I'll show you again how that works. So I'm going to go to Posts, Add New, and I'm going to grab my content for my first post. I'm going to paste that in. Clean that up real quick. Make sure when you're building your pages and your blog posts, you want to try to do paragraphs that are generally no more than 1 or 2 sentences, 3 at the most if they're short. Basically what it does is it creates what we call white space on your site. It allows people to read your content in short bursts. People hate nothing more than to come to a site and see big long block paragraphs of text. They simply won't stay and read it. It's hard on the eye. So 1, 2, or 3 sentence short paragraphs they can read in bursts, creates a lot of more white open space on the site. It's easier on the eyes, and people are more inclined to stay and read your content. And the more they read, the more they're going to see these things that you have on your site that you've placed there that allow you to make money. They'll click on them and you can make some money. So I've got my first blog post done. There's some things that you'll learn to do with these blog posts. One of the things I want to do is I'm going to put a more tag in here, which I'll show you what that does. And I'm going to hit publish. So now I have, oops, I forgot my title. Let me grab my title real quick. Put that in there. You gotta have a title. Update. So I have my first main static front page and my first blog post done, and we're going to take a look at the site. So this is the main page to the site I just created. The content I put in, and you'll notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4 banner ads that we added in. That was the code I added into that Easy AdSense plugin. When people click on any one of these banners, it takes it to that Market Health product that I'm promoting on my site. And when they sign up for a free trial to try any one of these products, I get paid $45. It really is that simple. And here's the key thing. On your websites, on your blogs, all you're doing is creating content that helps people learn about something they want to learn about. In this case, it's weight loss. So I've written about weight loss, and I'll continue every week and every month to add more to the site about weight loss for people to search and find and read. And every time they come to one of the pages on my site to read, these banners are here. They click on them, they like it, they sign up, they buy, I get paid. That's how it works. I'm not selling anything at all. I'm providing information in the content. When people click on these banners, the affiliate program that I'm partnered with, they sell. People like what they're offering, they buy, I get paid for sending them there. That's simply it. So this is the main page of the site. Let's take a look at the blog. It will go to my blog post. And it's the same thing. This is the blog post I created. and the 4 banner ads are there. Once I put them in that Easy AdSense plugin that I installed on the site, I put those codes in there. Every page that I create on the site will automatically add those for me. It really is that simple. Now the other plugin I added, the Dig. If you notice here on the left, there's places for people to share via Twitter, Facebook, Google+. That will show up on every single page on my site, and people can click on it and share on their Facebook, Twitter, or other. And you can, there's a wide range of social media sites you can add to this sidebar over here that'll show up that people could simply one-click and share on their social media. So it really is that simple to create a money-making website. It's not that hard. Right below this video, there's a link you can click on. You can create one of these sites for free yourself right now. Give it a try. You don't need a credit card. You don't need anything. You need your name and your email. It's the site where I create all of my websites. They actually have a program where they walk you through step by step how to use these affiliate programs and how to create one of these sites really quickly. So it's definitely worth checking it out. There's a link right below here. Just click on it. You can plug in your name, email, boom, you're in there, and you can walk through building one of these websites right now. Take care.